anything that you never did.
Hmm.
Anything that you never did. You've not done it for the last few years. आप आज से करना आप शुरू करो. Just sit 10 minutes doing nothing.
I can't.
हो जाएगा थोड़ी देर बाद. For us, for you and me, it's still easier because we've grown up that way. At least we had those. Imagine in the holidays, we used to tell मम्मी बोर हो रहा है. तो she said, अब हो बोर, मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ इसमें? तुम्हारी छुट्टी है, तुम हो बोर. So we knew how to take care of ourselves, be with ourselves, because emotional health has become dependent on some stimulus or the other outside. So which means we're shifting from a world of emotional independence to a world of emotional dependency. We have so much clutter here. So the minute we sit, all that clutter of thoughts
The
starts
noise.
working. So we just distract our mind to something else.
Huh.
Because we are not cleaning this clutter.
There's also something to be said about stillness, which meditation does. एक जगह बैठ के आप चाहे concentrate करो या कुछ करो ना, वो stillness जो है, which if you go back, kids who were born in the 60s and 70s, their summer vacation of 2 months used to be of doing nothing.
Nothing, absolutely.
Or just going out to play.
Yeah.
But play when the sun went down.
Yeah.
Weekends were just Sunday because there was no Saturday, Sunday chutti. In
Yeah.
some schools there were.
Right.
Saturday, Sunday didn't mean activity. It just
Yes,
meant slow down.
Yes.
But now, over the years, Saturday, Sunday is filled with activity for children. Parents have filled it. पियानो क्लास भी करो, आप टेनिस के लिए भी जाओ, बैडमिंटन के लिए भी जाओ, लैंग्वेज सीखो, एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस पे जाओ, कोचिंग के लिए जाओ. So Saturday, Sunday is also so much of work to
And
be
holidays
done.
also.
And holidays also. Is
Yeah.
prepare for your entrance exam, prepare for आप स्पोर्ट्स कोटा में होगे या इस पे होगे. The stress of not having, of packing your day with activity, of not being still, वो भी एक चीज़ है. किसी को आप कह के तो देखो, मैं खुद नहीं still हो सकती.
And not being able to be with yourself.
Yeah. Why? Fear?
कभी खाली बैठे ही नहीं.
Is it fear of stillness?
No, कभी anything that you never did. Anything that you never did. You've not done it for the last few years. आप आज से करना आप शुरू करो. Just sit 10 minutes doing nothing.
I can't.
हो जाएगा थोड़ी देर बाद.
That's the most difficult thing I've faced. I mean, whatever I'm
you
doing.
just start, don't meditate, don't do anything. Just 10 minutes, do nothing. Just sit. Which means don't pick up the phone. So that's all. So just put away the phone somewhere else. See, for us, for you and me, it's still easier because we've grown up that way. At least we had those. Imagine in the holidays, we used to tell मम्मी बोर हो रहा है. तो she said, अब हो बोर, मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ इसमें? तुम्हारी छुट्टी है, तुम हो बोर. So we knew how to take care of ourselves, be with ourselves. What they are being taught that you are always engaged with the stimulus outside. So they cannot sit alone with themselves. तो अपने आप के साथ तो रिश्ता ही नहीं बना. And that's why the mind is always needing a stimulus to feel something here. जैसे ही खाली बैठेंगे, discomfort. And that is why the mind is becoming weaker. Emotional health is getting weaker because emotional health has become dependent on some stimulus or the other outside. So which means we are shifting from a world of emotional independence to a world of emotional dependency. And that's why थोड़ी सी बात हुई तो stress. थोड़ा सा बात हुआ तो panic attack, anxiety, because they now need a perfect world to feel fine here. Because their mind is continuously dependent on something outside. But even they can do it. But first we have to do it.
Yeah, that's what I was going
First
to say.
we have to do it. Just start from 5 minutes.
Parents के लिए.
5 minutes करो कि phone हटा दो, सब कुछ हटा दो, music भी नहीं चलाना. Which means don't depend on an outer stimulus, just sit. You know why we're not being able to sit like this? Because we have so much clutter here. So the minute we sit, all that clutter of thoughts
The
starts
noise.
working. So we just distract our mind to something else. Because we are not cleaning this clutter. So हमें वो अपना शोर पसंद नहीं आ रहा है. So we just distract, चलो TV on करो, चलो phone उठाओ. So the minute I pick up the phone and I keep doing this, my clutter is off. But that doesn't mean that the pain is over. It's just I distracted my emotional pain by engaging.
Because I have to deal with those issues.
But I'm not dealing. But just by not dealing, they don't get resolved. So what does meditation do? Sit with your issue. Write down your thought. And then write down the correct thought below that. Then repeat it 20 times. Say it and again. Like let's say you said something and I was not happy about it. So I can say I got hurt. I can't live with that hurt. I can't hold on to it. So I will go home and say, this was not right. I should have created this thought. So now I will write down my right thought for you. Then I will repeat it. I say, she's a beautiful soul. That was her perception, her sanskar. That's all. I forgive. I release. I will do this. Now, when I do this consciously for a few days, I've released that clutter. And now when I sit with myself, you won't come on my mind.
But when you say her sanskar, her karma, are you putting down that person as a lesser being?
No. Her sanskar means your sanskar and my sanskar is going to be different.
Okay.
Again, like I said...
Different doesn't mean you're judging that person to be
not
lower
at all.
or...
Like again, I said, if I say I don't like your sari, you should not feel hurt about it.
It doesn't.
No. But if I say I don't like you...
Yeah.
Why? What is the difference between I don't like your sari and I don't like you?
Because I'm not connected with my sari right now.
No, you just understand that why I don't like your sari, because my choice is different from you. So what pink color was very pretty for you, it's strange for me. So I just said I don't like it and you were okay. Some people are not okay with that also.
That also.
I've asked people and they said like, I said, आप सुन लोगे ना जब कोई बोलेगा कि मुझे आपकी ड्रेस पसंद नहीं, क्योंकि बहुत लोग झूठ बोल रहे होते हैं आपसे कि उनको बहुत पसंद है, but actually they're not even liking it.
Yeah.
They will say like, बोलने की क्या ज़रूरत है, चुप रहे. I said, क्यों वो बोल रहे हैं तो क्या फर्क, मतलब that much we don't want to listen to that. Similarly, if somebody says to me that I don't like this about you, so it's because that particular sanskar doesn't match with their sanskar. Suppose today you're very honest in everything that you're doing. Very, very, very honest. Many people around you might not be comfortable with you.
Correct.
But that doesn't mean you are wrong. That doesn't mean they are wrong. That just means that your definition of honesty and their definition of honesty is different, and so they have a different opinion about you. So it's not lesser or more. I have to take care that I don't go low. So I have to heal myself immediately.
Okay.
And even with your children. It means even with family members. We understand they're a soul on a journey. We can't say, मेरे बच्चे ने ऐसा कैसे बोल दिया. मेरा बच्चा नहीं. Soul on a journey comes with past sanskars, come with past karma. Lot of environmental influences right now. इस टाइम बहुत कुछ असर हो रहा है. बोल दिया. Never mind. Powerful soul, beautiful soul. I send you lot of love and blessings. No hurt. No hurt. नहीं तो मेरे बच्चे ने ऐसे कैसे बोल दिया. मैंने उसके लिए इतना किया, उसने मेरे लिए ऐसे बोल दिया. So this is how we go down. And then we radiate that lower energy also to the other person. So to quickly heal yourself, then this place is quite calm and stable.